So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Wednesday, the 7th of February. Now, let's have a look what happened prices and where prices may likely go. So previously on the 6th, we had prices started making a recovery from the strong sell-off we saw from around the 1350. We had prices come down towards that 1328. We had a bit of a recovery. We held on to these 3451. We saw the bullish buy side momentum taking us through the 400 period moving average. Now, the very next level that we were looking at was in around this 1344.26, beyond which we were looking for 1350. Now, in around the 1344.26, we did have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average. Now, the 200 period moving average, along with the horizontal level, proved strong. We weren't able to break and hold above the 1344 as well as the 200 period moving average. And what we did see from there was sell side momentum. Now, sell side momentum took us all the way back down to 3451. We did not stall there. We did not find support at 3451. What we did see was sell side momentum take us down to the very next level that we have previously identified in around 1328. Saw a brief move upwards here, as indicated by this bullish candle with the wick to the upside, but the wick indicating that this move upwards was capped, and we did see that further sell side momentum taking us beneath this 1328. Now, from this 1328, the very next major level that we would be looking at was in around the 1320.25, and that's pretty much where we turned around. So we found support at 1320.25. So we had prices move all the way down to 1320.25. How low did we go? We actually went to 1320.03. So essentially 22 cents beneath the level. Yep, 22 cents beneath the level from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum come back into this market. Currently trading at 1326. Now, we have seen quite a bit of a sell side momentum come into this market. So if we do see a bit of a retracement, I suppose we could probably use a Fibonacci tool here. If we drag the Fibonacci, personally, I don't trade Fibonacci, but I'm just going to use the Fibonacci tool, see where our 50% retracement is. So our 50% retracement is currently sitting at 1333, and we've got 618 currently sitting at the 1336 level. In between the middle of the zone, we've also got 1334.51. Now, we could work with 1334.51. So 34.51 does appear to be an important level here on the XAUUSD. So if we continue to hold this support at 1320.25, we'll see our price direct towards at 1328. And previously we did see some buy side momentum coming to the market. We'll see whether this holds as a resistance, and we do see that sell side momentum possibly take us back down towards that 1320.25. A break from 1320.25. We are looking for prices to head down towards the 1313.58. The very next minor level, weekly pivot at 1313.58, and a break from there, we're looking for price head down towards that 1305.20. Now, if we do successfully break above the 1328 and we do hold it as support, we are looking for prices to then head up towards that 1334.50, and a break from which we are looking for price head back up to that area that we did see the added confluence and where we did have our sell-off from in around 1344. We do have to be aware of the 400 period moving average sitting at 1340 may prove problematic in our move upwards if we were to successfully navigate the 34.51. So we do have to be aware of the 400 period moving average, a break from which, again, we're looking to see that area where we've had the confluence of the 200 period moving average as well as a horizontal level. And again, in around these areas, we might see sell side momentum come back into the market. So in around that 34.50, 1340 and 1344, we might potentially see sell side momentum come back into the market. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. I'm just going to have a quick look. So we've identified levels to the downside as well as the upside if we continue to hold the support. If we don't find resistance, 1328. If we do find resistance 1328, again, we're looking to see our price track around 1320. If we do form a bit of a double bottom in around the 1320, and for a move back up and a break of the 1328 and a move back up towards that 13 34.51. And again, we will see our prices do react if we do break from this 13.20. At the very next major level, we're looking at 13.05, but we do have to be aware of the 13.58 as well as 13.10. And yeah, with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAU USD analysis. Thanks for watching.